This is a very quick introduction to the topic mensuration in mathematics. Now, if you are someone who normally struggle on how to deal with shapes like this, then we are here to assist you. The first thing we normally do on this channel is to let you understand the meaning of the topic, what exactly you are doing. Now, what is the meaning of the mensuration here? So, as the name suggests, it's all about measurement, right? So, this is the word measure. This is the word. Now, what are you going to measure? That is the point here. What exactly are you going to measure in this case? Now, if you are saying measure the levels of your battery or the percentage of your battery, you can easily do that. Which type of tool are you going to use in measuring the levels of your battery? That is the question you should be asking yourself. Okay, for it depends on the phone that you are using. Some can just check inside that battery and then determine the percentage, maybe 50%, and then just say that. Is that okay? Some also have to plug in the charger first. Is that okay? The charger and determine, okay, oh, my battery is like 21% and so on and so forth. Is that okay? That is how you are going to measure the levels of your battery. What are you using? So for understanding people, let's say that you have to plug in the charger first and then to determine the percentage of that battery. Is that okay? So the charger that you are plugging in, that charger is going what you are calling the tool that you are using to determine the levels of your battery. Is that okay? Now, in order to solve questions like this, you must know the tools to use in solving those questions. That is the important. That is the only key we believe. If you master that thing here, you are going to conquer the mensuration questions in your final exam. This is most at times a very compulsory questions in the final test. Is that okay? Now, how do you do that? You cannot keep on memorizing, right? You cannot keep on memorizing the topic just like to say few. I believe you know some already. Pi r square, 2 pi r square, 1 over 4, and so on. All these things you cannot keep on memorizing. There are many. So the key to understand or have a quick understanding or have a better way of solving the problem is to practice, right? We believe practicing sometimes become a very fighting or here and there is okay. That is why we have this platform to assist in solve or overcome most of the challenges that you'll be facing in your mathematics. Here we normally post questions on daily basis, right? At least a week we have questions on our channel. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you consider subscribing to our channel for more lessons. Now this is the shape here. The question here is further says that you should find the perimeter and then as well as a playing ground. So let me get back. So when I say you should take a measurement of this thing, what are you going to use to take the measurements? So somebody can take a rule or a tape or whatever you want to. There are so many shapes in this word. So many uncountable shapes in the word. Is that okay? That is where measuration comes in to help you to understand. So this is a playground, right? So this is a playground according to the question that I'm having here. This is for a playground. So a playground, this is how the shapes look like. You cannot decide to say, okay, let me have my playground goes like this or goes like that. Depends on the shapes of the land that you are having. This is how they got it. Now we want to know the measurement, the perimeter. The perimeter is all about the movement around the whole shape here. So the distance that they are covering, that is what we are calling the perimeter. So if the shape goes like this, they ask you to take the measurement of the entire playground here. How are you going to do that? Which or what kind of tools are you going to use in solving this problem here? And that is where mensuration comes in, right? So here, how do you do that? I believe I'll post the whole video on our channel. You may consider click on the notification button so that you don't miss any updates. So we love you.